Assalamu alaikum 10th class. Today it is our last lecture of direct and indirect speech. We will do exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences shows your emotions of happiness, wonderness, sorrowness. They are the sudden strong feelings which you expressed. In these sentences, conjunction that is used and the reporting verb changes into exclaim with joy, exclaim with joy, exclaim with sorrow, wonder, or exclaim joyfully, exclaim sorrowfully, or exclaim wonderfully. If they are feelings of joy, we will say exclaim with joy. If they are feelings of sorrow, then said changes into exclaim with sorrow. If they are feelings of wonder, then said changes into exclaimed with wonder. And if they are feelings of anger, said changes into exclaimed with anger. And the sentence changes into a statement. It changes into a assertive sentence. For example, boy said, "Hurrah, we have won the match." Now, hurrah shows that it is a symbol of joy. Boy exclaimed with joy that he had won the match. Next, the boy said, "Alas, we have lost the match." The word alas shows that it is a sign of sorrow. The boy exclaimed with sorrow that they had lost the match. She said, "What a nice day." It is a sign of wonder. She exclaimed with wonder that the day was nice. Next, we will do the optative sentences. Optative sentences. In optative sentences, we wish or pray for someone. When we are wishing something, when we are praying for someone, that are called optative sentences. In such kind of sentences, said is changed into wished for or prayed for, and the reported verb changes into statement. In all type of sentences, you have learned that in indirect speech, any question, any wish, pray, or exclamation, happiness, wonder, what changes into a statement. In optative sentence, when we are praying, that is, "May you live long." In the reporting speech, we use prayed for. Would that I were rich. It is a wish. We change into wish. For example, she said, "Would that I were a king." He wished that he were a king. The beggar said, "May you go to hell." The beggar cursed that I might go to hell. Exercise of the exclamatory sentences. He said, "Hurrah, we have won the match." He exclaimed with joy that he had won the match. He said, "Alas, I am ruined." He exclaimed with sorrow that he was ruined. He said, "May Allah help me to do my duty." He prayed that Allah might help him to do his duty. He said to her father, "May you live long." She prayed for her father that he might live long. She said, "May you prosper." She prayed that I might prosper. The mother said to her daughter, "May Allah bless you with a son." The mother prayed for her daughter that Allah might bless her with a son. She said, "Would that my father were alive." She wished that her father had been alive. The mother said to her son, "May you return successful." The mother prayed for her son that he might return successful. She said, "What a beautiful piece of art!" She exclaimed with wonder that it was a beautiful piece of art. He said, "How well she sings!" He exclaimed with wonder that she sang very well. He said, "Alas, we cannot defeat our enemies." He exclaimed with sorrow that they could not defeat their enemies. She said, "What a pity you missed that function." She exclaimed with sorrow that I had missed that function. He said, "Hurrah, I have won the medal." He exclaimed with joy that he had won the medal. Now come to the last exercise, that is on page 177. In the very first lecture, I told you that when you are changing direct speech into indirect speech, focus on the reporting speech. That is the part before the commas. If it is in present or in future tense, then there will be no change in the reported speech. That is the part within inverted commas. We just make changes when the reported speech is in the past tense. आपका जो पार्ट पोर्शन कॉमर्स से पहले है रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच, अगर वो प्रेजेंट या फ्यूचर में है तो जो कॉमर्स में विद इन इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स आपका पार्ट है दैट इज़ रिपोर्टेड स्पीच, उसके टेंस में कोई चेंज नहीं आएगी, चाहे स्टार्ट फ्यूचर है और आगे पास्ट आ रहा है या प्रेजेंट है और पास्ट आ रहा है, आप उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं करेंगे, सिर्फ कंजंक्शन ऐड करेंगे, प्रोनाउंस ऐड करेंगे और आपका सेंटेंस कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. कम टू द एक्सरसाइज. दे से वी हैव डन आवर ड्यूटी. नो चेंज इन द सेंटेंसेस. दे से क्योंकि आपका रिपोर्टेड स्पीच प्रेजेंट में है, सो कंजंक्शन ऐड करें. दे से दैट दे हैव डन देयर duty. We made changes in the pronouns, we add the conjunction, but we will not change the tense. She says we have shifted to another house. She says that they have shifted to another house. The teacher will say, "You have done your work very well." The teacher will say that I have done my work very well. He says, "She has written me a very encouraging letter." He says that she has written him a very encouraging letter. She says we love and respect our neighbors very much. She says that they love and respect their neighbors very much. She has said she is ready to accompany us to Karachi. She has said that she is ready to accompany them to Karachi. The teacher says she has always been a good student. The teacher says that she has always been a good student. She will say he did not come up to my expectations. She will say that he did not come up to her expectations.